Prompt Engine AI is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new software. If you're curious about how this tool can transform your business or streamline your processes, stick around because I'm about to break down exactly why you should pay attention to Prompt Engine AI, and you can even try it for free using the link below. First off, let's talk about the basics. Prompt Engine AI is a powerful tool designed to help marketers, content creators, and business owners optimize their workflow with AI-driven automation. Unlike other AI tools, this one specializes in generating highly customizable, niche-specific content prompts. It uses machine learning to understand your unique needs and outputs content ideas, social media posts, email drafts, and more with remarkable accuracy. One of the key features of Prompt Engine AI is its ability to learn from your interactions. As you use it, it gets better at tailoring its outputs to your voice and objectives. This is huge for digital marketers because the software continually adapts to make your campaigns more personalized without having to start from scratch each time. Another major selling point is the user-friendly interface. When I tested Prompt Engine AI, I was impressed with how easy it was to set up and get started. It doesn't overwhelm you with technical jargon or complicated settings. The platform is intuitive and designed for both beginners and experienced users. If you're someone who doesn't want to waste time learning the ins and outs of complex AI systems, Prompt Engine AI is a breath of fresh air. Let's talk about speed. In the digital marketing world, time is money, and Prompt Engine AI delivers fast results. Whether you're generating blog post ideas, crafting ad copy, or coming up with social media captions, you can expect the tool to provide actionable prompts within seconds. This quick turnaround time allows marketers to scale their campaigns faster, and content creators can push out more work in less time. Now, here's the real game changer. Flexibility. You can customize the prompts to fit a wide range of industries. Whether you're in finance, real estate, e-commerce, or any niche, Prompt Engine AI can generate prompts that speak to your audience directly. This level of versatility makes it an invaluable tool, especially for people working across different sectors. The next feature worth mentioning is the Ciao Tao collaboration aspect. If you're working with a team, you can easily share your prompts and collaborate in real time. This is fantastic for agencies or marketing teams that need to sync up on projects quickly, without the hassle of constant back and forth. What really sets Prompt Engine AI apart is its continuous improvement. The software doesn't just stop at providing you with a static set of prompts. It learns from the data you provide, improving its outputs and suggestions over time, ensuring that it stays relevant in a constantly evolving market. This ongoing enhancement is a huge value add, especially in the fast-paced world of AI and digital marketing. And lastly, let's not forget about cost effectiveness. As AI tools become more mainstream, many are priced high, but Prompt Engine AI offers competitive pricing while still providing enterprise-level features. It's an excellent investment, especially when compared to other AI tools that may cost much more for fewer features. So, to recap, Prompt Engine AI is a powerful, easy-to-use, flexible, and fast AI tool that's perfect for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking to level up their digital game. And yes, you can try it completely free from the link below. If you're interested in checking out other AI tools I recommend, be sure to look in the description. After testing thousands of AI softwares, I've compiled a list of the best ones that I believe can truly help you succeed. Don't forget to try Prompt Engine AI for free and let me know what you think.